An orphan's unseen kindness, reshaping a city's soul. In a busy modern city lived an orphan boy named Ayan. He worked small jobs to survive, but never lost his kindness. Every morning he picked up trash near the mosque. Every evening he shared bread with hungry animals. He helped old people cross roads and carried groceries for free. People noticed his actions. One shopkeeper started giving free water. A driver began helping passengers. Slowly, kindness spread. Within months, the city felt different. Cleaner, kinder, warmer. All because one orphan chose goodness over bitterness. Moral: true change begins when one heart chooses kindness.